Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making egg fried rice. For this we need finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, spring onion, black pepper powder, salt to taste, egg, chili sauce, soya sauce and vinegar. Take a frying pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon very finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon very finely chopped garlic. Now add 4 to 5 teaspoons of cabbage, finely chopped cabbage. Add 1 very finely chopped capsicum, toss it and cook it for 1 minute. Add salt to taste, add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, add half a teaspoon of green chili sauce, toss it again, add a pinch of black pepper powder, 2 drops of vinegar, toss it. Now add 2 eggs, mix it very well. Now add 1 bowl cooked rice. Mix it again. Mix it properly. Add a pinch of salt, spring onion for garnishing and for flavoring. Mix it and your egg fried rice is ready. Thank you.